Good morning, Pure Structure Traders. Today is July 14th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you guys some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over some of the levels on gold and oil as well. But again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you. Other than that, let's go ahead and hop into it. So for me, kind of a main level of resistance, I'm going to adjust this just a little bit because I moved it earlier, but a little bit of a main level of resistance. I got 43.8125, which we're kind of coming right into right now. Want to see if the market hits that level and fails to get through. If we do, we may end up seeing the market trying to come right back down. I did have a little bit of another main level of resistance right around 43.66. Just kind of pop right through that after we started to stall a little bit. A level of supports underneath come right at 43.5125 and then 43.4450. And below that, more of a main level is going to come right around these 43.3650s as another level of support. So we'll see what actually happens, kind of looking for that resistance to come in right now. So we'll see. But I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. Let her give you guys some of the minor levels she has on the chart.
Good morning. Um, we are using our micro peaks for the continuational move up. And I'm going to start with David's support area at the 54.55 area and look for the micro peaks above that. Number one, 43.58. That is a micro peak. And look how the market went right down to it for that bounce up. Beautiful. Number two, 43.62.75. Sorry. Market went a little bit above it, came right back down to it for the continuational move up. Another beautiful move. Third micro peak, 43.67.75. Market didn't even pop up with purpose, but rotated one on the 8-tick, one bearish candle, which was an epic fail for the market to come down. Use that green candle for the pop up. Gorgeous. Next level I have already used, 43.71, same scenario. One bearish candle went right above it. That bearish candle was another fail to bring the market down further, created that Marabuzu candle, green for the pop-up, went to resistance at 43.78.75. These micro peaks are just golden nuggets. You don't have to trade them, but you can definitely use them for the roadmap as to where this market is going to go. My resistance here at 79 might not hold. It created 1-2 bearish candles, but then it's got that green candle below it. So it might go up to David's bigger resistance area at the 83.50. So we are using these peaks now. I don't have any more. I don't have any more to use. So
Nice.
now we're just going to wait for 78, 78, 79 for it to pop up with purpose, come back down to use that as support, but we'll see how it reacts. Back to you, David, for oil and gold.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Thank you. So
Mhm.
we did have a nice move to the upside on gold. See here, we had a level 1824.7. We're above that now. Next level of support 1827.2. See if we can get a little bit of a micro support here for a continuational move back up. We got some resistance that came in right between these 1830 to maybe about 30.9 as a level. So I'm going to mark that top level off there. Nice area of resistance. I think if we come up underneath this level of 27.2, we may see the market try to drop back down into 24.7. And then below that, our next target's going to be all the way down 1815.3. So we'll pay attention to how the market reacts off these levels. If we continue to hold, this may be a good opportunity. But once we break below, we may see it try to drop off from there. Let's take a look at crude oil for you guys. Crude oil, we had a nice level of resistance sitting at 75.50, but we didn't get all the way up to it. Kind of stalled a little bit lower than that, trying to pull down a little bit. Do want to see if we get support coming in 74.77. That may be a nice area for me to look for the market to try to bounce and then try to continue to go to 75.50 and then through that level into the next level, 75.92. So I want to keep that in mind as well. If we get below this level, 74.77, we may see the market try to drop off somewhere around these 74.08s to 73.84s as the next level of support. So I don't need this here, but that may be our next areas of interest as we move around on crude oil. But we'll see. We'll prepare for the open. Let's get ready, guys.